Welcome to my channel Vani Vaid. Today we will be making a mini artificial plant. So let's get started. Here I am using a plastic bottle of which we will be cutting the bottom part with the help of a cutter. Make sure that children use cutter only under the guidance of their elders. Here I am using a thermocol to which we will be painting with a brown color. In case you are not having brown paint, you can use equal quantity of orange paint and blue colored paint and mix them together to get medium quality of brown color. Similarly, we will be painting our wooden broomsticks with the brown paint. So see, here I have colored our thermocol and wooden broomsticks with the brown paint. Now we will be letting them dry. By the time we will be making leaves for our mini plant. Now I am showing you all how to make a realistic leaf with the help of colors on paper. Here I am giving our colored leaf a new look like this. To cover the edges of the plastic bottle that we have used, we will be using a black strip of paper to cover the edges of the plastic bottle. So here we are on the final step. Now we will be inserting a wooden broomstick inside the thermocol. So that's it. A mini leaf plant is ready. I hope you all liked it. You should give a try too. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. If you found this video helpful, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Vani Creates Instagram ID. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.